I'm Angelica Diaz. I'm the store manager at the Brickyard. I'm part of the Hora del Café. So today you're gonna be cooking chicken tinga with me. I have the chicken already boiled. You wanna boil it for about an hour. If you're not comfortable with chicken, you could also go to the store and get rotisserie chicken if you want. Make it a little bit better. I'm Mexican, so I have Chipotle peppers and I like it really spicy. So it's up to you if you want to use a little bit less so it's not that spicy. You could use one chopped onion. I use the red onion. I really enjoy the flavor. It's a little bit better than the white for me. I have tomato sauce and some adobo to make it flavorful. And last but not least, I have the chorizo. So this is a really basic recipe. It was actually one of the first recipes that my grandma taught me how to make. So it's really a sentimental plate for me, but I hope you like it. It's delicious. You can pair it with tostadas, you can make it in a taco, you could do anything you want with it. So we're gonna start cooking here. I'm gonna take, while your chicken is boiling, you wanna start the chorizo. So I'm gonna do that first. And all I do is just take the chorizo out. You're gonna put it in your pan. And you're kind of just gonna move it around and chop it in little pieces. So it makes it a little bit better for you to cook it. So it smells good. The chorizo that I chose is actually hot chorizo. We eat everything hot. It's delicious. You can already see, smell that deliciousness coming through. As I'm doing that, I will be chopping onions, but I already did it. So I'm just gonna throw them in here and let it cook together. So normally while this is going, I will be shredding my chicken and keeping busy for the next part of the plate, but everything is already set to go, so we could do it a little bit faster. So my grandma on my mom's side, she was a really great cook. She taught us how to make handmade tortillas, so every Sunday we'd go to her house and we knew we were gonna get some good food. And that's where my mom learned all her secrets. That's where I learned all the secrets. So I hope you like it. You're just gonna let this simmer. You just wanna make sure your chorizo is chopped all the way so it could cook evenly. Smells so good. So if I were at home, I would take this tomato sauce and then put it in the blender, put a little bit of the seasoning, and then put as much of chipotle peppers as you want. Just throw it all in the blender, let it all blend together. I'll be shredding the chicken. Everything's already ready to go. And once this is ready, we're gonna throw in the chicken, throw in the sauce, and let it simmer for about 10-15 minutes. I'm making a mess. All right, we gotta make sure we keep the area clean. So I'm gonna clean around while that's cooking. Chorizo is coming along great. Those onions are getting cooked a little bit more. And it smells good. Or maybe I'm just hungry, but it smells really good. All right, so we're gonna throw the chicken in there. Just wanna make sure you get all of it in there. You kind of mix those flavors in together. So that way you get the onion, you get the chorizo, you get your chicken in there. When you're boiling the chicken, you want to put a little bit of salt and sazon, but I always do a little bit more in here just to get a little bit more flavor. Just kind of sprinkle it and mix it. Oh, making a mess. All right, that's going. So we're gonna grab our tomato sauce and we're just gonna pour it in there. Like I said, if you're at home, you could blend it beforehand. We don't have a blender, so we're just gonna make it work. And I like it spicy, so we're gonna go with all the chipotles. All right. So you're just gonna let that simmer for about 10, 15 minutes. You just wanted to like get all the flavors in there and the chicken blending together. Oh my God, I'm making a mess. All right, let's clean this. And we have the finished product already. So this is what your tinga should look like. It's delicious. And like I said, you could do it with tostada. Normally I would do it on a tostada and put sour cream, cheese, then put the tinga on top and put a little bit of lettuce and salsa. I have a chip here, so I'm gonna try it. It's really good. Oh, chip is breaking. Very delicious. So I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you really had fun making this, and let me know in the comments what you think. We're doing this whole month and we're celebrating Latinx month, so keep in tune. We're gonna be cooking for you and showing you little secrets here and there. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.
Wow.
One, two, three.
México lindo.
Cheers.